Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope all of you are doing very well. So in today's video we are going to talk about Wipro onboarding updates, and we are going to mainly discuss on Wipro January onboarding updates. So in this video we will be talking about the onboarding of elite and turbo candidates. Also we are going to see what is this ICIEMS mail that the candidates are receiving from a long time, and is it compulsory that every candidate is getting or not, and the status of candidates who were onboarded recently. So we are also going to see that status. So make sure that you watch the video till complete end, as there is going to be a lot of information in this video for you. So before starting the video, if you are new to the channel, make sure that you subscribe to the channel to receive all such regular updates. We regularly post off-campus drives and very much helpful videos for you. So make sure that you subscribe to the channel. So let's start with our discussion for today. So will Wipro onboard candidates in the month of January or not? So first of all, after some of the students getting offer letter, mostly elite candidates have done their internship, and meanwhile some candidates even got their onboarding survey in between. Okay, so that onboarding survey was just a mail in which there was like preference were asked from the candidates that in which month do you want your joinings. So the preference given in those mail were like August, September, October, these months, but already these months were passed, or these months are already passed, and still there is no update on the onboarding, right? So recently Wipro has mentioned that those candidates who were selected in phase 1 are planned to onboard in the January month, and that is why they are sending this ICIEMS mail. So if you might already know, right? If you are waiting for your onboardings, you might also have got this ICIEMS mail. So let us see what is this ICIEMS mail. So this is the ICIEMS mail. So in this it is mentioned that, dear candidate, we have found that you have not completed your profile in ICIEMS. Please complete your profile to continue with the next steps in the hiring process. Now what is this mail? So basically what Wipro is doing is, Wipro is planning to onboard phase 1 candidates before onboarding they are checking that the candidate's profile is completed or not. Okay, so that the candidates docs are up to the mark or not. So if some candidates documents are not up to the mark, what they are doing is they are sending these kinds of mail, and they are asking the candidates to please go to your account and complete your details or submit your documents. So what you need to do is, if you are getting this kinds of mail, you need to submit your 7th and 8th sem mark sheet, and don't upload any fake documents. I always suggest you don't upload any fake documents. If you don't have your hard copies, what you can do is you can take an internet copy of your semester mark sheets, and then you can upload. But make sure that whatever you are uploading is genuine only, okay? Because we have seen that recently Wipro has terminated many candidates, and we don't want that you should also go through this process or not. So please make sure that whatever you are uploading is up to the mark. So there are higher chances of joining in January month. So make sure that you are uploading all the correct documents. And one more thing is, not everyone is getting this mail. If your profile is already updated, you will not get this kind of mail. Moving on to the next update, which is related to turbo candidates joining. Okay, so some of the turbo candidates got their joining earlier in the month of December. They were going to get onboarded, but sometime back only they got this update that their joining is rescheduled, and this is the mail that the candidates have got. So in this mail it is mentioned that, hello, as communicated previously, you were scheduled to join us on a specific date. However, we regret to inform you that there has been a change in your date of joining, and your joining date is rescheduled. So for turbo candidates were scheduled in December, but they got rescheduled. But there are 80% chances that the turbo candidates will have the onboarding in Jan and Feb. Okay, now status of candidates who were already onboarded in 2022. So this is the main update, that is this kinds of mail that the candidates have got. Greetings for Wipro. We hope you and your loved ones are doing safe and well. We are pleased to inform you that a joining in Wipro is scheduled on 16th of May. So this was like around 6 months back. I'm talking about the candidates who were joined 6 months back. Now in which state they are. So for some candidates the training has been completed. They were trained on different technologies like Java, Python, and different technological fields that the Wipro provides. Now there are many candidates who didn't have the projects yet. So some of the candidates were already allocated to projects, and some still do not have projects, and they are still on bench, and they are trying to get the project. So this is the current status of those candidates. Now there is an important information that like 20% of the candidates who joined Wipro recently are resigning. Okay, and that is why 38,000 new candidates will be onboarded by the Wipro in the upcoming days, right? Or in the upcoming months, you can say. So it is a high time that the Wipro is definitely going to onboard candidates in the month of Jan and Feb. If you are also waiting for your offer letters or joining letters, I would say there is no need to get disheartened, as there surely will be joinings. Okay, so if you have any updates, please let us know in the comment section. Also, if you have any doubts related to it, let us know in the comment section and we will guide you through it, as there are a lot of candidates who has recently joined the company and who are waiting for their joining letters. So there are all mixed kinds of candidates on our community, so they will be guiding you. If you have any doubts, let us know your doubts in the comment section. And that's all for this video. If you have any doubts, please ask in the comment section. You can join us on different social media platforms and make sure to subscribe to the channel to receive all such regular updates. Thanks for watching. If you have not followed us on Instagram yet, please follow, as we regularly post updates on our Instagram channel. You can also ask your doubts in the DM section. Also, if you have not yet subscribed to our Telegram channel, please go ahead and subscribe to it. You will get all the relevant links in the description box.